What's up, guys? This is Chad Nash, aka the Real Estate Doctor. And if you've been thinking about purchasing a home and you don't have perfect credit, stop right there. I've got great news for you. You can still buy a home even with less than perfect credit, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Did you know that many loan programs in America today work with home buyers with less than stellar credit? And today we're going to jump into some of those options so that you as a consumer understand that you do have options and you can make home ownership a reality. Okay, let's start off by talking about the credit score that you actually need to purchase a home. Now, most home buyers think that they need a perfect credit score or at least above a 700 to purchase their next property. But that's actually a myth, and let's talk about what the reality is. FHA programs actually accept credit scores as low as 500, but yes, you're going to have a bigger down payment. If you have a credit score of at least 580, you may be eligible to put as little as 3.5% down on your home purchase. And if you're looking at alternative loan options such as VA and USDA, guess what? They may even skip the credit requirement altogether. So I say all that to say, if you're sitting in the 500s or 600s in terms of your credit score, do not panic. You do have options. So let's delve into some of those loan programs that accept lower credit scores just a little bit more. We already mentioned FHA. Now, if you have a credit score of 580 plus, you can get into a home with as little as 3.5% down, but there are other factors that you're going to have to consider. So if you are on the fence about buying your first property and you have a low credit score, you may want to look at an FHA option. If you're a veteran, guess what? You may be able to qualify with no credit score minimum or any money down as a down payment as part of the VA loan program. Now, for our suburban and rural buyers, you may actually be able to qualify through the USDA loan program for no money down and flexible credit score requirements. And last but not least, conventional loans. Now, here's the real kicker. You can actually get approved for a conventional loan with a 620 plus credit score, and you might even be able to get qualified without putting the traditional 20% down. That's going to be up to your lender. Here's a pro tip for you. There are some good lenders out there who use a process called manual underwriting. Well, what is manual underwriting? That means that they're going to take into account your entire financial picture, not just your credit score, to approve you for your next home loan. Manual underwriting is great for buyers who are skeptical about their own credit score. Just request to your lender, can I go through a manual underwriting process? It's also really good for self-employed buyers or buyers with unique financial circumstances. Okay, so we know that you can get a loan without less than perfect credit, but if you are looking to boost your credit just a bit, maybe to get more purchasing power, here's a few things that you can do. Pay down your credit balances and keep usage under 30% of its limit. Make on-time payments. Even if it's just a few months in a row, I can guarantee you this is going to impact your credit in a positive manner. Ask your credit company if you can increase your credit limit. Now, you might be asking me, why would I want to get more credit if I'm going to have more debt? Well, I'm not telling you to use more debt, but what I'm saying is with a higher credit limit, that actually lowers your utilization ratio. And finally, a little trick that I learned a long time ago, become an authorized user on a family member's account. Here's how that works. A family member who has a good credit score and a good history of payments, that can actually boost your own credit as well if you are an authorized user on the account. So there you have it, guys. As you can see, you don't need perfect credit to purchase your next home. If you're one of those individuals who's been waiting to purchase a home because of their credit score, do not fret any longer. Let's have a conversation. There's a lot of options out there, making sure you're paired with the right lender who can guide you in that process. Now, just one more tip. If you are in credit limbo, do not go spending a lot of money on credit repair. I'm not saying that credit repair specialists aren't good. In fact, there are some good ones out there. Shout out to my guy, Lambo Drew. You're one of the best in the industry. But what I'm saying is, let's start with the lender first. A lender can give you a clear picture of your credit score, your credit history, and give you a game plan on how to maximize your credit score for the best lending options. If you're looking for a good lender out there, I would love to be a resource for you. Reach out to me. Let's get your process started. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe and like the channel. I look forward to talking with you soon. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this content, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can be one of the first to know when content drops on a weekly basis. Also, if you find yourself in the real estate market, check out my comment section below where I provide my home buyer and home seller guides for free. Go ahead and download them. Hope they're of use. Hope to talk to you guys soon.